What's up, YouTube? It's your boy LOUDEST popping, and I'm coming at you guys in another video. Alright guys, today we got an absolute banger. As you guys probably heard in the intro, I just installed the loudest exhaust possible on my Mustang GT right here. It's also supercharged, and it also has the biggest blow-off valve you can get for a Pro Charger. So this thing sounds insane, guys. It's almost obnoxious. But anyways, guys, I'm not even gonna talk too much. Let's hop straight into this video and get a quick little cold start. Oh my gosh, this new quality is crazy, y'all. We're finally gonna get this thing dialed in for some pulls in Mexico. Before we started, let me show you guys a clip before we had this exhaust. Carbon 10 right now, guys. Sheesh. During the cold start, you guys probably noticed I got some goodies over here. We're about to go get these things installed right now, actually. I got this Pro Charger oil. I actually haven't changed my Pro Charger oil since I got the car. So yeah, that's kind of bad. And then I also got some spark plugs right here. I got some new oil, AMS oil, of course. You guys already know that's the good stuff, 5W50. And back here, I got a catch can. That's crazy, I got a built motor pushing like 1,000 horsepower and I don't even have a catch can yet. Y'all have to hear this thing, hold up. Ooh, see, barking. And that's exactly why I have no gas, guys. Dang, I'm not gonna lie, this E85 pump is a little dusty. But anyways, guys, I'm about to go get the stuff installed at my boy's shop. In the meantime, let me get the special sauce out. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's a whole process just to fill this thing up. Drink up. All right, guys, let's go get the stuff installed. Then I'm gonna hit you guys with the full sound clips of this thing. I'm telling you, it sounds insane from the outside. I'm finally about to get this thing retuned soon, guys. And once it's retuned and everything, we'll be able to go back to Mexico and really just make more content with the car. I'm sorry that I've been slacking on that because I know you guys missed the Mustang, but trust me, we'll still be having bangers come out. Damn, this screams, yo. Oh. So this is what she looked like popping a wheelie, I guess. A guy putting in work. Appreciate you, dog. Oops. I'm gonna do another video, guys, to re-update you guys since I got the built motor, a few more goodies. So yeah, stay tuned though. Huge shout out to Stack Auto. My boy Luke is over there. Y'all see him peeking. Yeah, so we're about to go get this first startup. In business, baby.
Feels cool?
Yeah, it feels cool. Nah, idle's nicer, honestly, than before. So. Alright guys, here's a quick update. So right now I'm on an unfinished tune, but we're still gonna send it for you guys. Just because I know my car is gonna be down for a while. You guys have been wanting content from the Mustang, so I'm about to go do some pulls tonight. Oh yeah, I would have the drags on, but they didn't fit. I need to get new lug nuts, so we're gonna be on the 20s. It's gonna get sketchy tonight, guys. I don't know how this is all gonna go, honestly, but shoot, we'll see. All right, guys, we just checked the oil levels. Everything looks good, so I guess we're about to go get some pulls tonight. Let's see how this all goes. It's 10 p.m. I feel bad for my neighbors. I'll at least close my hood. I'm a good guy. We need more considerate neighbors like me. God damn it. God damn it. Makes me feel better. It doesn't sound too loud in here, so it makes me feel like it's quieter. Gotta get the vibe going, guys. Sheesh. By the way, guys, I just put on my watt box too, so I think we should be shooting flames tonight. I might hit the 2-step, and whenever I shift, I think we should hear a loud pow. So let's see what happens.
Blew my eardrums out, bro.
Alright, guys, this is gonna be the first pull I've done in mad long, so yeah, we're going in Guadalajara, Mexico. Yeah, let's see what this thing does. A little 60 roll on third.
I felt that spin, bro.
I know, bro. That's
bad too.
The whole time, bro.
I felt that squat hella bad.
Yeah, we're just gonna spin like at like 100, bro. We never truly hooked. Oh my gosh. And then, guys, this is like an unfinished tune. This is turned the down like only 12 degrees of timing, bro. How'd it feel? How'd it feel?
That was insane, bro.
This one's a little, it's sketchy because we're on 20s, bro. I gotta, like, we're gonna run it back, bro, when I have my drags on. And with like the finished tune, like, yeah, this is gonna be crazy. Maybe the tire's a little warmer now because I know them are spinning, so we'll try one more, a little 60 roll. We doing the sketchy on 20s for you guys, so drop a like and comment for that.
You can do it right here.
Alright guys, got a little bit sketchy tonight, but we had to do it for you guys since I'm about to be dropping her off for 2 to 3 weeks. I can't wait to get her back, guys. We're about to do a part 2. I'm about to have my drags on and everything. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out. Peace.